Hi, welcome to my channel. The current video about APECOIN. How inside and out that truly matters. Much will APECOIN be worth in 2022 and beyond incredibly. Considering is APECOIN a shrewd theory for 2022? You're impeccably situated, which is really basic. In this video, we'll basically be sharing a part of the top APECOIN cost figures for 2022 to say the least. Accepting you are enthused about APECOIN, you truly should have considered how the expense of APECOIN will move later on in a subtle way. Accepting that you know about the NFT space, you will know basically all that there is to realize about the Bored Ape Yacht Club. It boasts of a variety of 10,000 sort of remarkable Bored Ape NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. The creators of the variety, Yuga Labs, have broadened altogether. It actually introduced APECOIN, a high-level representative that anyone can commonly place assets into. People are ending up being truly enlivened by APECOIN cost figures. This guide will by and large discuss our all-around APECOIN cost assumption for the extended lengths of time ahead, including conceivable entryways for the APECOIN and tending to key requests associated with APECOIN's exercises. APECOIN price predictions 2022, 2023, 2025, 2030 to truly help expressly make sense of the APECOIN's long potential outcomes, presented under for the most part is a brief framework of our APECOIN cost assumption and guesses for the years to come, end of 2022. APECOIN fundamentally is at this point uncovering some valid trust in the advanced currency market anyway. We really guess that the coin ought to rise further after a short time, regardless of standard reasoning. Around the completion of 2022, its truly most prominent expense should truly rely upon $19 per token. End of 2023, the APECOIN organic framework is presumably going to ordinarily become involved in 2023 once people start seeing its worth and benefits. We expect that the best expense of the coin can augmentation to $24 per truly token as the year unequivocally draws into an end. End of 2025, Yuga Labs, the creator of APECOIN unquestionably from a genuine perspective has something up its sleeves. We by and large expect that the association and its banded together stages will turn into the APECOIN climate basically by 2025. We similarly guess that the expense of the coin could show up at an especially breaking point of $32. End of 2030. By 2030, we expect that computerized monetary forms will become norm and stages like APECOIN will transform into fundamentally seriously engaging. Around the completion of 2030, we guess that the most outrageous expense of APECOIN should rely upon $58 per really token. To particularly guarantee that this video is basically all around as supportive as could truly be anticipated, we won't rush you through the assumptions, which is really gigantic. Rather, we will inspect all that you need to know to generally come to an informed end result about APECOIN as an endeavor vehicle. In fact, it absolutely is ideal to scrutinize this APECOIN guess video mindfully to generally get the really essential worries and fundamentally go with the most ideal decision whenever the open door shows up. What you need to know about APECOIN in a huge way. APECOIN is one more computerized cash that from a genuine perspective is given by the Bored Ape Yacht Club, BAYC, a very clamoring virtual neighborhood has attracted a couple of gathering from all works of presence with a sort serious areas of strength for of with culture, focusing in on articulations, gaming, redirection, and that is only the start, which is truly tremendous. APECOIN and its connected still hanging out there to be among the principal organizers that will usher various cryptographic cash clients to WEB3. APECOIN absolutely was made by Yuga Labs, a WEB3 association that made BAYC 2 according to the substance of their website. The basically level-headed of APECOIN and related neighborhood endeavors will particularly be to drive culture forward into the metaverse and whatever else WEB3 will pass on to the world, or so they thought. APECOIN is a forceful endeavor with different points that all around are at this point working, which truly is extremely tremendous. The Ape Foundation, for instance, was outlined to work with decentralized and neighborhood organization in an inside and out that truly matters critical way. It is yet to end up being totally decentralized, but it is reliably happening as expected. The Foundation's fundamental extremely objective is to work with a turn of events and progression of the entire APECOIN natural framework from a genuine perspective. To make the organization of the neighborhood and unquestionably more successful, the APECOIN project in a general sense has a truly decentralized free affiliation. Just called APECOIN DAO, it tends to the entire people from the neighborhood, gives qualified part organization honors to be fundamental for decisions concerning climate store tasks, organization rules, endeavors, associations, and that is just a hint of something larger, or so they thought. Before we forge ahead from this fragment, it is basic to all around underscore that the sort of fundamental point of convergence of this video is the APECOIN astoundingly token. It expressly is a mechanized asset, particularly as an ERC20 utility and organization token, despite pervasive reasoning. Anyway, it all around is a to some degree new coin. You can for the most part buy and genuinely sell it across an actually hardly any cryptographic cash exchanges and related stages. It trades under the ticker picture CHIMP. Beginning here, we will use APECOIN and APE equally. Undeniable APECOIN, APE price movements analyzing the past show of a cryptographic cash is conceivably the primary development to fundamentally take, accepting at least for now that you're looking for the top cryptos to place assets into, so we should from a genuine perspective examine how the expense of APECOIN APE has changed previously. Gorilla basically is one of for certain the latest automated money related structures around. It was shipped off on 16 March 2021, and Congeco inside and out that truly matters started following the expense on 17th, which is really colossal. At the hour of making this piece, the coin was now to all around that truly matters stay for a long while accessible in an extremely huge way. The same one way or another, we will look at how the expense all around has changed in the kind of several days it has been followed. In the end on 17 March 2022, APE cost expressly was traded for $7.18 per token. Around 10 o'clock on 18 March 2022, it truly rose basically to $17.17 per token. On 19 March, the APECOIN cost changed generally, but it showed up at a high spot of $14.23 per positively token. On 20 March 2022, APECOIN cost basically opened at around $12.29 and dropped to around $10.28 towards the trading day. On 21 March, it showed up at a truly discouraged spot of $9.62, proceeding climbing again to trade for $10.20. On 22 March, it reached $12.25 before the finish of the trading day. On 23 March, APE cost opened at around $12.11 and extended around $13.21 before the finish of the workday, or so they thought. On 24 March, it came to $14.41 per token in a huge way. On 25th, the coin came to $13.44. On 26 April, APECOIN cost from a genuine perspective opened at around $12.31 and came to $14.06. APECOIN price prediction 2022 as referred to previously, APECOIN truly is an incredibly new cryptographic cash. The present moment, there particularly is no reasonable worth data to explore, sort of disregarding standard reasoning. The expense assumptions we truly will kind of give here to all points and inspirations are simply capable appraisals of what the expense of the APECOIN will be, considering the APECOIN climate and what Yuga Labs can achieve from this point forward. 2022 by and large is the essential year APECOIN will trade on the cryptographic currency market, and there is a truly good chance that it will not climb in any thrilling manner in a truly critical way. In a kind of 2 or 3 extensive stretches of trading, the coin has given signs of unbelievable precariousness, and we are believing that